Hey y'all, it's time for taste test. Possible camp food. Uh, Hopefully I won't burn up. I'm inside our new tent and it's supposed to rain. I guess I could let a little air in. So this I picked up at one of our local groceries. I can't remember, one of the fancy schmancy groceries. This is Punchin potatoes and beans chili mac from Wicked Foods. 2 potato varieties and a blend of beans and a punchy chili sauce. Totally amaze balls. That's what it says. Amaze balls. Medium heat, 100% plant based. So, all I had to do was pour in boiling water, stir, let it sit 5 minutes, and then stir. And let's see what kind of. Oh, I should let you take a look at it before I dig in. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Let's see, should I eat this with a fork or spoon? There's more liquid at the bottom, so the stuff at the bottom's been getting rehydrated betters. But, ooh, smells good. Smells a little spicy. So if this works, this will be good camp food. There's flavor. A little spice. It's kind of that flavor you get from overpriced fancy food. Dried pasta, red kidney beans, dried potato, dried black-eyed beans, tomato powder, yeast extract, dried sweet potato, dried sweet corn, garlic powder, onion powder, grilled red peppers, grilled yellow peppers, smoked paprika, cayenne, turmeric, ginger, cumin, sugar, dried jalapeno, chili, dried parsley, and salt. It's probably the some of the dried stuff I think that's a little off-putting to me personally. Just, I don't know. It, the ingredients should be all good, all right on cue, but it's like they had a cook that wasn't the best cook and just didn't quite get the ingredients right. I'm picky about my chili because I make the best chili. Um, it's not bad. It doesn't take up much room in your saddlebag or your camp gear or your backpack. 320 calories, which is not bad. Um, that's less than a lot of the soups and ramens and all that. Product of the UK. Actually, now that I'm getting a little, mixing it a little more and getting down at the bottom, maybe I'm just getting used to the flavor. It's okay. A little bit of spice. You spicy people like me will like that part. yeah, it's a good choice. And some people may actually prefer this flavor um, to some other things. It's growing on me. Either that, or like I said, just getting it mixed better, or getting stuff down at the bottom. The beans and the noodles have rehydrated nicely. In fact, I bet you could take the ingredients out of the cup and put it in a baggie and seal it. It wouldn't take any space at all. And then just add the boiling water to your and the packet to your little Coleman cook set, which I carry, and you should carry too because they're awesome. That would actually be a great idea. Maybe I bought 2 of them. I may save the other one and do that. Like I said, the calories are just right. The taste is good enough. These were on sale. That's why I got them, because I'm cheap. And yeah, I may try some other wicked foods now that I've tried this, just to see what they got. So that's today's food judging episode. It's a medium thumbs up. It's a solid 3 stars out of 5. 3 1/4. Nothing to complain about. Just not necessarily my thing. So, that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.